It is an absolutely gorgeous day here in Oregon. I'm home. I am going to go get some coffee, some breakfast, and I'm going to show you the difference between hyperlapse and time-lapse on a DJI Osmo Action camera. Okay, we're in downtown McMinnville, Oregon. It's beautiful down here. I finally made it down here. I'm going to get some coffee before I frickin' die. And some breakfast, because if you don't have coffee, you can't live. Time lapse, usually the camera's stationary or it's held with some mechanism where it's doing a slow motion type thing, like a slider, like a motorized slider or something like that. Hyperlapse is where the camera's moving all over the place. Okay, I didn't dress for this. It's like 27 or 30 or something degrees out here. And I got no gloves. My hands are now frozen, see? Can't move them. That's kind of like what hyperlapse does. It's a bit different than time-lapse. In fact, everything I just did, I held it in the palm of my hand, this little Osmo Action, and just walked around. I don't know if that helps or not. If you're wondering what the difference between time-lapse and hyperlapse is, well, there you go. That's the best way I could show you. It has its uses. It can be quite dynamic and it'd be quite fun to do. So go out and shoot some hyperlapse. Make sure you upgrade your Osmo Action camera to the newest version, because that's what they added, amongst other things, into the camera, is the ability to do hyperlapse, which is why I love firmware. Anyway, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Apparently my new fandangled car doesn't like the air at 27 and 30 for the tires, and it complains at me, so it expects 35 and 38. What the hell happened? And I drove and found an air thing, and that's great because it's out of service. Thanks, man.
As you drive, they heat up and they expand.
So if we fill them up cold and then I drive and get them really hot, then they basically explode off the rims and I die a fiery death?
No. Yeah.
Anyway, I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Okay, that was pretty cool. Les Schwab, unsolicited commercial. You drive in, you say your tires are low, and they're like, cool. Drive up, they fill up your tires, they make sure they're great, and they answer your questions. So there you go. Les Schwab, you rock.